Your competitors keep popping up everywhere, while your brand shows up once and disappears, leaving prospects to forget you. You want to be the obvious choice in your market, with consistent authority and a pipeline that doesn't depend on luck. But inconsistent campaigns, random boosting, and agencies that don't understand frequency strategy let competitors dominate mental real estate. At HSK Digital, I help you engineer omnipresence using structured meta ad systems, frequency control, retargeting layers, and predictable pipeline architecture built on conversion math. As your brand appears consistently across feeds, stories, and retargeting sequences, competitor recall drops and inbound inquiries rise. Attention compounds. Visibility without strategy is noise, but frequency with positioning becomes dominance. If you're ready to own attention in your niche instead of renting it occasionally, book a strategy call with me.